Hello children, these are the fruits in the plate. This is a banana, this is a mango, these are grapes, and this is an apple. Now tell me, do you need to cook these before eating, or you can eat them raw? Correct. You don't have to cook the items over here in this plate before eating. These are called as fruits. Now I will show you another plate. This plate has a piece of pumpkin, a brinjal, and a gourd. Now, these are all veggies. These are all veggies. Can you eat them raw? No, you do not eat them raw, or you cannot eat them raw. You can eat the fruits raw, but you need to cook the vegetables before eating. So the veggies need to be cooked and fruits need to be eaten raw. Now, I'll show you another plate. These are all biscuits. Do you get the biscuits on the trees or on the plants? Hanging from the branches? No. But they are all made up of plants. The things that we get from plants. So, how do they become something like these, which we are getting from the plants as fruits and vegetables? These biscuits we are getting after we are cooking the food. So these items we get when we actually cook. There are many methods of cooking. For example, sometime we boil like eggs. Sometime we fry like making pakoras. Do you like pakora? Very good. These biscuits, they are made by baking. We bake and make the biscuits that we are eating. Now, tomorrow we will learn about another food item that we make by using the method bake. B-A-K-E, bake. And that is, try to guess what we are going to learn tomorrow. Bye-bye.